Okay, hello. This is the Xfinity XB3 home internet box, which I'm sure Comcast now gives out to commercial customers and home customers. This is their latest box that will work with the xFi application. Basically, to connect this thing up, you have to have cable going into it, so there's the cable input. You can connect anything in your home LAN into the 4 ports here, which I think are good for a gig now. Your phone goes there, and you can put USB sticks in here. Haven't tried that yet. And basically, you could run this to your home LAN just by using the box here to upfeed into your house and into your home LAN. In this case, this box is also a Wi-Fi box. There's 2 Wi-Fi transmitters in here, transceivers for 5 gig and 2.4 gig. There's the Xfinity logo on the side of the box. Here's how the front of the box looks like. And to register the box, you basically want to aim your Xfinity XFi app at this box's meatball or QFR signal. So this tag back here is where, and let's focus the camera here. This tag back here, my camera's not focusing. This tag is where you want to basically aim your iPhone or Android phone, and when you register the box, you want to basically get this part here into your phone, and then Comcast will take all the parameters from this QR code and register your box. So I'm covering mine up because that's basically like a password for my box. I don't want people using that, but you again take your xFi app. It'll say, please capture this QR code on your xFi app on your iPhone or Android. You capture this right here in the side of your router, and then it will self-register with Comcast. So that's how to do it without getting on the phone, without calling Comcast customer service. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Have a great day.